If your iPhone is in a disable condition and there is no option to insert a passcode, then this video will help you to fix it. If that happens on your iPhone, then this will lead you to delete your data. In one condition, you can revive your data if your iPhone was synced and backed up on iTunes previously. If you have no other option, then move forward to revive your iPhone at work for home for free. If your iPhone is disabled and you try to connect on PC direct, then PC not detect your iPhone, so you have to change the mode of the iPhone. The first is recovery mode and the second is DFU mode. We go through the process of recovery mode, that is easy process. Let's follow the process. Power of iPhone. Press and hold the power key and insert the data cable, and don't release the power key till the recovery option shows on the iPhone. Now your iPhone is ready for this. Remember, you can downgrade your iPhone on old iOS. If you try to do so, then you got an error and the update process was incomplete. You can use iTunes or Thrive tool. I am here using Thrive tool. iPhone detect like this. Tap on Go Flash. Here you can see the compatible firmware list. Download the latest one. Try to avoid the beta version as it may have bugs. Here you can see the firmware is downloaded. Wait for complete. You can manually download firmware from the website. To download, follow the process. Go to the website. Select device type. Select iPhone model. Here you can see in the signed firmware. Download the latest one or top one. Wait for the complete. Now complete on Thrive tool. If you manually download firmware, then you have to import and give the firmware location. Below you can see different options. Retrain user data. This option will update only the firmware and don't erase anything in the iPhone. The another is Quick Flash mode. This option will erase all data from your iPhone. In those cases, you have to use that option. If your iPhone was fully disabled, then you go through the Quick Flash mode. Choose this option. Click on Flash. The process starts. This will start the flashing process and wait for the process to complete. This may take 10 to 15 minutes. Here you can see a clean flash complete. Now iPhone is on hello screen. Let's follow the screen instructions. Now the job is complete. Don't forget to give feedback about the video. Don't forget to share your thoughts. If that stuff is helpful, then press like and subscribe for support. See you in the next video. Hi, it's me host Akash. Peace out.